welcome to another episode of our Know Your Neighborhood series. Yes. It's good to be back. I know for some people, this is their first resumption date at work and all of that. So, if peradventure today is the first time in 2026 that you're resuming back to work, I want to say welcome back. Welcome back to work. How was your holiday? I hope you were able to maximize the holiday. Okay, for some of us, there was no, anyways. Okay, so today's episode, due to popular demand, we're going to be moving from Eko Akete. Yes, so I've had people from the last episode who asked me to show them how the Lekki Epe Expressway via the Eko Akete connects the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. So that is what I'm here to do today. So yes, are you guys ready? So let's go see how this all connects, because it's not just about giving you guys an update about the Lagos Calabar Highway Coastal Road in different sections. It's also about you knowing this neighborhood very well. So just like we've shown you guys from the ShopRite angle how it connects, I want to show you guys from this part of Abidjan how it does connect to the coastal road. I know that some of you who have this request probably have one property or the other around here and you've not been around, so you want to see how it does connect. So I'm going to be showing you how it does connect today. And then if you don't even own a property around here, and it would be nice for you to also see how this connects, and of course know what's currently happening in this neighborhood, know what the neighborhood is looking like right now in 2026. This is January 2026. So are you guys ready? Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board. So this is Lekki Epe Expressway, and this is me coming from Shangote to Abidjan, and straight up, if you go straight, you get into places like Awiyaya. Awiyaya is just a walkable distance from this place, and then you go all the way to Lakwe. However, in today's video, I'm branching into Eko Akete. So this is the entrance that leads us off the Lekki Epe Expressway into Eko Akete. So this is where I'm going in to, and then we then connect it all the way to the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway project. All right, so I need you guys to keep watching till the very end. So you guys ready? All right, so let's go. You see the straight road, right? You guys see that it's a straight road from off rather, sorry, of the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. So here we go. All right, so you see this is the road. It goes straight down till we get to eat the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. Now we're going to eat it at the junction at which I stopped this footage last week. So if you have not watched our footage of last week, which we did from Okwaja all the way to this point, the junction we're going to end this video to today, then you need to watch the video. I'll put the link in the description for you to watch it. All right, so there's a whole lot happening here. I'm going to say as much as I know about this environment, and as we just keep moving to the end point, which is to eat the ongoing Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway project. So you can see a whole lot of work happening here. There's a lot of truck here. I don't know exactly what this project is all about, but then let me pan to this other side. You see the existing estates here. Can you see the existing estates here? People are living here, and they have a lot of land here, many of which are not even available for sale. Many of them are already pre-owned as we speak. All right, let's go and see the distance. It's not a very long distance actually. It's very short. It's not a very far place to get to the Lekki Coastal Highway project, right? It's not very far, but we're going to cover as much as we can here. Okay, I know that some of you have questions about this project that looks abandoned by my left. Well, the gist about it is very long, so let's just focus on what we are focusing on today. Yes, you can see that again, this part, there's quite a number of projects also going on there. Now, for this session of the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway project, when they started, right, this was the entrance the trucks were using to move in sand and all of that. So yes, that kind of improved this road. It made the road better, smoother, and I hope it can be better than the way it is right now. All right, I've done this before now. I think it's about a year ago, right? So yes, for those that have watched it before, maybe you can spot the difference. So let me sit down more for you guys to see the road. I mean, it's a dwelling actually, but then it's smoother than it used to be. And of course, we have a lot of empty lands around here. That's the truth. You can see loads and loads of empty land around. All right. Yes, loads and loads of empty land around. However, I feel like most of them are also pre-owned, right? Yes, they are pre-owned. So don't assume that, oh, because they're empty, many of them are available. Now, when you're buying property, if you want to buy land here, please be very, 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 very careful. Ensure that you do your search very, very well. All right. Okay. So before I mean, let me just pan. This is the community. So there's a community here. Can you see? There's the community. And this community is largely owned by the Gudu Gudu family. Yes, the Gudu Gudu families are the ones who owns this location, right? Yes, for those who buy property around here, I'm sure you're familiar with the name Gudu Gudu family, right? Yes. Okay, we're almost approaching the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway now, because I mean it's not a very far distance. And for those of you who personally requested for this video, you can see what this place looks like right now. I mean, in 2026, you can see the road is smooth, but not it's sort of graded, but not very, very smooth. Like if you're in the car, you're still going to be having those shaky movements basically. But then you can see what it looks like, right, left, and center. Not much. It has really opened up. Basically, this road has opened up. That's the truth. It has opened up compared to those of us who know what it was looking like some like 5 years ago, right? So you see that there's a whole lot of difference in terms of the road, right? Accessibility. I mean, not like all the way it used to be, very, very swampy. Like, geez, this road used to be very, very swampy back then. It used to be very swampy, basically. But then you can see that it's not as swampy. It's not, I mean, there's road accessibility based on this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway project. They were the one that made this pretty much very accessible. Okay. Of course, there are some estates around here that are also facing this road that they've sold. I mean, so a couple of years, I think, yeah, ago. I don't know if you guys remembered. There was a time that there's this real estate company that sold some beach house. So yeah, just by this end of this road. Once you end this road, you come to the end of this road, you will see the what's it called? You see the beach house, and yeah, just talking about estates that is still, or what am I even saying? Of course, there are some estates that were sold. Beg your pardon. And then, I just wanted to establish that there were some properties that were sold. Some are still there. Can still see some. And from what you can see, sure you guys can see this part. Obviously, I think they dredged this part that I am right now. So, because if it was not dredged, I'm not sure I know why. That explains why it's a whole lot of water at this part, you know. So, already approaching the end of the road. So, can you guys see now? Here we go. This is the Coastal Road. We are at the Coastal Road now. So the way I came in like this, you can also come in like that from Eko Akete, and then you can head all the way to Shongotedo. You see the water. Let me go up for you guys to see. Can you guys see the water? So if you're going to Shongotedo, you always can go like this. All right, at least all the way to Shongotedo, which is where we came for that day, and then this goes to, of course, the Elekor, etc., etc. So it goes all the way to Elekor. See, it goes all the way back to Elekor. So this was the place I'm supposed to show you guys. And remember, last week I promised I was going to do the continuation, but due to popular demand, I just decided to do this. So let me just pan around for you guys to see where we're coming from. Can you see? See? Can you guys see? Okay. So for those of you who watched that of last episode, you remember, again, I just needed to show this because I just wanted it to be very clear. This is where we came out from, remember? And then, of course, this is the Coastal Road. And then it goes all the way to Elekor, and then further down Ogun State. So, see? Your work is going on so well. And we're going to pick up, hopefully, in the next episode from here, and we take it hopefully to Elekor. Like I said in the previous episode, I've not even applied this road rather to see. I tried to, but I've not been able to, because I know that I saw some points that they are still mapping out. So the road is just one lane for now, and I don't know how far that gets to. I know someone last week said, oh, it has gotten to Elekor. Anyway, let's hope it is more terrible. We'll find out in the next episode, hopefully, or subsequent episodes. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for doing this with me today. I'm trying to understand what's happening here. It looks like a huge, is this some feeling I'll call it, or I don't know. That's going on there. But guys, look at how beautiful this water is. Look at this water view. Like, check it out. So I also noticed that, I think, let me sit down. I think somebody's trying to do, is that a heart? Is that there before now, or is it heart? Or I don't know. Like a beach activity, so to speak. Anyways, that's the Atlantic Ocean for you guys. It's truly beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So thank you so much. Now that the whole holiday is over, I'm hoping that they would still keep the Coastal Road open. Okay, let's hope that they'll keep it open for more people to keep using it as access road, so that the congestion that has happened with the Lekki at the Lekki Epe Expressway will still keep up like that. If you're not in Lagos, you will not understand. Or if you're not in this area, you will not understand. Alright, it's been my pleasure doing this with you guys. Alright, everyone, thank you once again for doing this with me today. It's truly my pleasure. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, how about you go ahead and do so? Because this year, we have a lot of things in stock for you. Whether you're an existing investor in the Nigerian real estate market or you're new or you're an intending one, it doesn't even matter, because for us here, we're all about giving you value back to back. And of course, for this our Know Your Neighborhood series, the intention is to help you, especially if you're based abroad, to know some of this neighborhood, and in that way you would be able to make informed decision when you're investing in real estate. So please, once again, subscribe to this YouTube channel. And of course, right now we have some deals that are going on pre-launch. We have bungalow selling on pre-launch, we have land selling on pre-launch that you have to grab right now. The one in Abuja, City View Park and Resort. We have the one in Ikeja, just by Maryland or Kwebi Lake Bridge. So if you're interested in all of these deals or any other one, I mean, we have property selling in Victoria Island, etc., etc. All you have to do is to call the number scrolling on the screen, and I will give you the entire information and, of course, get you started immediately. Yes, the year 2026 has kicked off on a very good note, and you can make it better by starting with one investment or the other, whether land or houses. Ladies and gentlemen, I remain Goodness Usman, the Queen of Land Baker, and I say to you that wherever you're watching me from, please ensure that you remain safe and awesome just the way you are. So I say to you, what double.